Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a YouTube shortcut in desktop in Windows. So let's get started. So first thing, just go to the home page of your YouTube. You need to be exactly in youtube.com. After that, to the rightmost top you'll be having this three dots option. Click that and you need to go to cast, save and share option. If you hover over it, you'll be having this create shortcut option. Click that and you can just have a name for this. Just go with YouTube and just click on create. That's it. That particular shortcut icon will be added in our desktop. So if I just minimize all the browser, here you can see I'm having my YouTube shortcut. So if I just open it, it will be directly taking to youtube.com in the browser rather than opening it again and typing youtube.com. So it's a shortcut way. So I hope you have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. A lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.